Hey everybody, I wanted to make another video about smart money trading concepts in crypto. You never want to be dumb money. You want to be trading with and like smart money, understanding correct trends and trend reversals. That's why today we're going to be specifically talking about break of structure, also known as BOS, and change of character, which is abbreviated to CHOCH. Okay, so you might have heard of these two terms before, BOS and CHOCH. We're going to be covering them. Also, if you're not familiar already, some other terms that you should know on top of break of structure and change of character is HH for higher high, HL for higher low, LL for lower low, and LH for lower high. If we look at the break of structure, what this does for us is confirms a trend continuation. So now we're going to go over to our chart here, and you'll be able to see that in this downtrend, we have a steady amount of times that we actually broke the structure and continued in a downwards trend. Okay, so this will be noticed by the lower highs that keep repeating themselves and then breaking down lower to reach new lower lows. Okay, so here the pattern is actually unfolding, and you can see this continuing here throughout, even till the very end. Another lower high and another lower low. Only afterwards we get our first real breakout of the downtrend, but it's not fully confirmed yet until this point right here. This is the key area, and that's why I drew a horizontal line here to make it very clear. Why is this the actual reversal area? Okay, now yes, we did have some bottoming signals here, but the actual moment of the change of character, CHOCH, was right here. Why? Well, if we look at CHOCH, which signals the reversal, it is when we actually break out of the pattern of, in the case of the downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, right? Meaning that we're seeing the break of structures, BOS, like I talked about. And now, instead of seeing the break of structures, we're actually getting the reversal, which means we finally put in a higher high and a higher low. Okay, so this is the moment here where we actually got the change of character and the reversal. Once again, because we stopped having the lower highs and lower lows and the clean break of structures towards a signal trend direction, in this case towards the downside, and we actually got our first higher high and actually, if you notice right here, higher low as well. Even if we only got a higher high, this would already be a sign of a potential CHOCH if we did break above the previous high. But it's always best to confirm it with both a higher high and a higher low. This will be a true and strong confirmation of the reversal and of the change of character, which is necessary for that clear reversal. Okay, so always make sure you're reading this properly in your crypto trading. Now let's go ahead and see one more time the break of structure example, which signals a trend continuation. Like I said, right, this can be a downtrend like we just saw, right, where we're consistently breaking to lower lows like we had in this example on top of the lower highs, and we can have this in the upward direction with this example over here. And mind you, this can happen on any time frame. So I'm on the daily time frame, but you might see this on the 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart, hourly chart, doesn't matter. Okay, you can see these trends and reversals, so the change of character, on any time frame. So always be paying attention to where the highs are and where the lows are, and if there's steady higher highs, steady higher lows, lower highs, a mix. All of this stuff is important, okay? So I want you to be marking this on your chart. So once again, just to make it clear here, we did actually see a change of character. And then right after, what did we start seeing? Well, higher high, higher low, okay, compared to the bottom over here. And compared to the previous lower high over here. So once again, right, we actually had a lower high before. Why is that? Because on this pullback right here, right, this might not be super visible. Let me go ahead and draw a nice little arrow to make this super clear on the exact moment that I'm talking about. I'm talking about this area right here. I'll put that in red. So that high was a lower high compared to this high over here. Okay, so we got our lower high right over here. We bottomed, and then we actually got our higher high, higher low. So once again, you'll notice that as we move forward, higher high, higher low, this would have already been a beautiful long entry right around here, okay? Especially on the break of structure higher. So if you notice, right, this is a break of structure. Right afterwards, over here, break of structure again. Okay, this is textbook, guys. Once again, up here, break of structure. I want you to look back on the image, right? Higher high, higher high, higher high. We're always breaking the structure higher. Okay, in opposition of what we were doing before, where we're breaking the structure lower. Now we're pushing new higher highs and getting the clear break of structures towards the upside, which is causing the trend to continue higher. So look at that every time, guys. Higher high, we moved higher. Higher high, we broke the structure, we moved higher. Higher high, we broke the structure, we moved higher. And only after that did we start seeing a little bit of chop and consolidation. So make sure to remember these two trading concepts, guys. Break of structure, BOS, and CHOCH, which is change of character. This will help you a lot in your crypto trading. If you liked this lesson and video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Also follow the MTC Mastermind Trade Club Telegram group to stay updated and to get even deeper with our community. Link in the description below. Thank you for watching, everybody.